Monica Palacio, Director of the DC Office of Human Rights. The Office of Human Rights is the civil rights enforcement agency for the district, which means that we provide administrative relief for any violations of the Human Rights Act, the Human Rights Act of 1977, and several other statutes that offer civil rights protections. I've always been kind of an advocate and someone who believes in finding optimal solutions to problems. So I started out as an attorney, and I was very interested in juvenile justice and criminal justice, but I was discouraged by working in the court system. So I wanted to find other ways to change communities, to change cities, to change neighborhoods. I take things personally that the issues really matter to me. I think because I'm a woman, I'm a mother, I'm an immigrant, and I watch how much people struggle to keep their jobs, and they want to do well, they want to support their families, that whenever I feel someone is, the victim of some type of unfair treatment, it hits home. Well, we've already done so much because we've worked on the Ban the Box legislation. We're working on protecting pregnant workers. We have done a lot around transgender rights. So what does the future hold? Well, right now we're working on a very exciting partnership with Muslim faith leaders. We do a lot of campaigns that engage the public and help them think and share real information, because often we mistreat groups or we misunderstand them just because we don't have enough of the right information. I moved to the US when I was 3.5 with my parents from Colombia, and I grew up in New York City, but I moved to Washington, D.C. 26 years ago. One of the things that I passionately believe in as a D.C. resident is statehood for D.C., but also preserving the history of D.C. D.C. as an oasis for civil rights. D.C. is a city that people come to from all over the world, and D.C. as a chocolate city. And I hope that we can continue to build a D.C. that is inclusive of all of that.